Life on Earth began in the oceans, and scientists believe that approximately 1 million species live there. What is sad is that this place where life started and countless animals live is increasingly at risk every day. According to World Atlas, there can be several causes of pollution, but the leading causes include sewage, toxic chemicals from industries, nuclear waste, thermal pollution, plastics, acid rain, and oil spillage. Shipwrecks alone put tons of oil into the oceans, according to Conservation International stories. They also say 8 million metric tons of plastic get dumped into the ocean each year. That's about 17.6 billion tons, or the equivalent to nearly 57,000 blue whales every single year. According to Planet Aid, every day, toxic chemicals are entering our oceans. If humans are exposed to these toxic chemicals for long periods of time, this can result in dangerous health problems, which include damage to our nervous systems and kidneys. And Elizabeth Grossman's article, Radioactivity in the Oceans, Diluted but Far from Harmless, discusses Fukushima nuclear complex and its spillage of thousands of tons of radioactive waste. And she notes, the Tokyo Electric Power Company has reported that seawater containing radioactive iodine 131 at 5 million times the legal limit has been detected near the plant. Many animals die each year to ocean pollution. According to DoSomething.org, over 1 million seabirds and 100,000 sea mammals are killed with pollution every year. Now, some of you might wonder, what will happen to the sea life if we don't help our oceans? Well, the Nature Conservancy says lack of ocean protection will not only accelerate climate change, it could impact our resilience to its impacts. Coral reefs, for example, provide coastal communities with important protection from storm surges, but they have already been pushed towards extinction by climate change, pollution, and overfishing. Additionally, according to recent research by Stephanie Ware, the Nature Conservancy's lead scientist for coral reef conservation, sewage pollution is shockingly widespread. A full 96% of places have both people and coral reefs have sewage pollution problems. She goes on to say, more sewage finds its way into the ocean as either poorly treated or untreated discharge, or as storm runoff in places with little to no infrastructure. Like the developing world, the majority of wastewater goes untreated. For example, about 85% of the wastewater entering the sea in the Caribbean is untreated, according to United Nations Environmental Program. How can we help? Well, according to Ocean Society, you can reduce your use of single-use plastics, recycle properly, participate in or organize a beach or river cleanup, support bans, avoid products containing microbeads, spread the word, support organization, and address plastic pollution. In summary, the ocean pollution has impacted the world, a lot more than we think it has. And as I research, I realize how much we keep our heads turned to it. There are many ways we can all do our part, such as to ban plastic-free alternatives, don't buy ocean-hurting products, and give your opinion on ocean issues. Oceans have a massive pollution problem. Animals will keep on dying if we don't step up to the problem, but if we all do our part, we can help save it.